Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So today I'm finally swapping out the TRD shift knob here on my 2021 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro for the same exact one, but black. So a lot of you guys had recommended to me to do this for a while now, and I just never pulled the trigger on it because, admittedly, this doesn't really bother me. But it does make sense. It's a worthwhile swap out, especially since I've already taken the time to swap out these AJT Design trim pieces here. If you guys recall, even this old gate right here was that chrome plastic. This used to be the chrome plastic, and then this right here was that kind of a little bit more subdued. This material right here on the dash. So it's that same material. So definitely a huge improvement for those pieces. But I mean, why not? Why not swap this out too to make it all kind of come together, hopefully? So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. It should be pretty snappy video, but I just want to at least share it with you and see what your thoughts were, as always. So this, super simple. You just twist it off, of course. I did end up buying this one here off of Amazon, and I think it was about 80 bucks, 80 to 90. I'll link exactly the same one that I bought just for you guys to reference. So, and great thing about Amazon, it comes to your doorstep within a couple days. So Amazon Prime. So here they are, side by side. Obviously same exact thing, nothing to write home to mom about. Even the leather on the back side here, I guess the front side, is identical with the same red stitching. So I could see why a lot of people really wouldn't even bother making this particular switch, because it's the same exact thing. I'd get it if you didn't have the TRD knob. You'd want to upgrade to this. That makes total sense. But still, that's kind of honestly the reason why I never pulled the trigger on it, just because, did I really need it? No, but it just kind of brings it all together fairly nicely. So let's pop on this new one. Kind of show you real quick. So obviously TRD is stamped within the top leather there, same as the other one. And kind of a closer look here. Forgive me, the lighting is not that great. Okay, let's pop it in. So I'm going to put it on straight. Let's see if that helps us out. Make sure I'm going the right way. Yeah. Okay. So there's a lot of other options out there, of course, but I personally like this. I mean, I think it looks good. I mean, I think Toyota did it right by putting this one in here. So right now it's pretty tight. So right now I'm almost kind of forcing it, but I'd honestly prefer it to be super tight than a little loosey-goosey. So right here, it feels pretty snug. So I think that fits the bill pretty well. Of course, you can take it off and redo it if you need to adjust it accordingly, but no, definitely happy with this. And I'm sure you could use the same exact knob. I think even this, don't totally quote me, I think this even might be the same exact shift knob that you get within the 4Runner TRD Pro, off the top of my head. At least it seems similar. So I think the same one, so this one should work just fine, the one that I link within the description there, and it should work same way for the Sequoia as well. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to share that with you, and of course, let me know what your thoughts are. Is it a worthwhile purchase, or would you perhaps save the 80 bucks it cost to get it? But appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.